Hi, welcome to this video. And in this video, I want to show you how I connect Go High Level with another tool or another app using Zapier. So this is my Zapier here. In case you don't know what Zapier is, so this is my Zapier, and I'll be using this Zapier to connect my Go High Level and my spreadsheet. All right. So what I want to do is that I have a Go High Level form, and this form I want to use it to collect information, and I want this information to be sent to my spreadsheet, right? So when someone fills out the form and submit it, the person's data will be sent to my spreadsheet, right? I don't have to manually enter the data, so Zapier will do that for me. So when I connect Zapier with Go High Level and my spreadsheet. So when someone fills out the form, the person's information will be sent to my spreadsheet, right? So Zapier is like the link between the two tools. Zapier is like the link between connecting the two tools is like the bridge between the two tools. So um, I'll um, I'll show you the form. So this is the form that I want to use for this. I just created this form to uh, show you how this works. So I just created this form to show you how this works. So these are the information I need: person's full name, the person's WhatsApp number, the email, the person's business name, the person's website, and I also want to know the services the person is interested in. So what services are you interested in? Have you used any CRM automation tools before? And the last one is estimated monthly revenue. So these are the information I want to get. These are the question I'm asking with this form. So and also I've created a spreadsheet. So I also named the spreadsheet client information, and these are the columns. So this column represents these questions here. So full name, WhatsApp name, email, business name, website, and the rest. So these columns represent all of them. So this is where the information will be sent to when someone submits the form. The full name, the WhatsApp number. So these are the columns, right? So now I want to use Zapier to connect the Go High Level form and this spreadsheet so that when they fill out the form, the information will update here. Okay, so I'll go to my Zapier and I'll show you how to do this. So I'll create a new Zap. All right, so and the trigger here will be Webhook. I'll be using Webhook to do this. So Webhook. All right. So Webhook, and the trigger event will be catch hook. So the trigger event of the here will be Webhook, and Webhook is the says the app. So the trigger event is catch hook. So I'll go to my Go High Level, and I'm going to create a workflow to do this. So I'll go to automation, and I'm going to create a new workflow. Start from scratch. So I'm going to name this workflow. So I'll name this form submitted update Google Sheets. Right, so that's what we want to do. Form submitted update Google Sheets. So I'll choose a trigger here, which is form submitted. say form submitted, and I'll select the form. The form is client information form. Alright, so I'll save the trigger, and the action will be, I'll say webhook. So and the method will be post. Alright, so we have two methods. We have get and we have post. So but in this case I'll be using post. Alright. So and in Zapier here is a catch hook. So I'll click on continue here. So continue again. And now I'm going to copy this link here. So it generated a link, and I'll copy the link, and I'll go back to my workflow, and I'm going to paste the link here. Alright, so now I'm going to save this. I'm going to publish this and save. Okay. Alright, so the next thing now is I'm going to preview this form so that I'll test it. So I'm going to preview this form and test it. Say this is my full name, WhatsApp number, my email, my business name is Cleverlink, and website, let me see, www.cleverlinksystems.online. Alright, so what services are you interested in? I'll say lead generation. Have you used any CRM automation tools before? I'll say yes. Estimated monthly revenue, I'll say 5 to 10K. So I'll submit. Alright. So now let's go back to my Zapier and see if it got the. Alright, so these are the data the data from the form I just submitted now. So I'm going to continue. So I'll choose Google Sheets, and here the action event will be create spreadsheet role. So that's create spreadsheet role, create a new role in a specific spreadsheet, and I've connected my Google Sheet account. So my account, I've connected it, so you can see. So this is my account, and you can connect a new account if you want to. So I'll click on continue, and that will be my Google Drive. And I'll select the spreadsheet, which is client information, like I've showed you before. The name of the spreadsheet is client information. So let me show you. So this is the spreadsheet. This is where I want all the data from the form, all the information coming from the form will be sent to. So and the name of the spreadsheet is client information. So that's where we select client information. Then the worksheet will be sheet one. All right, so we'll continue. So now the next thing is to map the columns. So let's map up the columns. All right. um, WhatsApp number, email, email, business name, whatever link. So business name is whatever link, uh, website. Let's search it here. So what services are you interested in? Lead generation. So I'm just mapping out the columns. So I've used any CRM tool before. I should be the rest. Alright. Estimated monthly. So now let's click on continue. So we are done. So the thing is, let's test what we just built. So we are done with Zapier. We are done building it. So now I want to test it. So now I'm going to select a different information, input a different information. I'll say um, Harrison main. Then I'll say WhatsApp number will be. Email address will be. Harrison Tech. So I'm just trying to enter the information so that I can test what we built. And let's say CRM setup and management. Say no. Say so now let's check our um, spreadsheet to see if it have the information we just entered. All right, so you can see now, you can see how it works. If you look at the number, you can see it also added the country code here. So this is how it works. So you can see, all right. So the information is here. You can see. So now I'm going to test it again. So I'm going to test it again to see to test it the second time to see if it will do the same thing, to see if the information will be sent to the spreadsheet like the way it did with the first one. Yeah. So I'll go and paste the form link. So I'm going to test this. Say Alex, Alex Robinson. So the WhatsApp number will be the email will be Alex Robinson gmail.com. Where do you the company name? Let me say Zinco, for example. The website will be www.zinco.com. So what services are you in? I will say workflow automation. What services are you interested in? Sorry. I'll say workflow automation and I'll say no and I'll say less than 5k here and I'll submit. Alright, so we have submitted the form. So now let's go back to the spreadsheet to see if this information we entered here will be in the spreadsheet to see if this information we entered here will be sent to the spreadsheet just like it did the first time we tried it. So we'll go back to our spreadsheet. All right, you can see the information it's updated. You can see, right? You can see the Alex Robinson, the full name we entered. You can see the WhatsApp number, the email, the company. You can see Zenko. You can see the website. You can see the what services are you interested in. You can see the workflow. You can see have you used any CRM automation tool before? No. You can see the estimated monthly. So this is how to connect your Go High Level with a spreadsheet or a tool with using Zapier. All right, so we used Zapier to do this. So now you can see how it works, and if you have this form on your website or on your funnel or anywhere, or maybe a survey, it can also work with a survey also the same exact way I did it with the form. You can also do it with a survey the same exact way also to collect information and just build your form, you know, embed your form anywhere you want to embed it, maybe on social media or your website or your funnel. And whenever a lead or a client that want your services or your product fills out this form, immediately they once they submit the form, their information will be in your spreadsheet here, so you don't have to manually enter data. So once you come to your spreadsheet, you will see all the information of your client or your customers here. So that's how to do that with Zapier. All right.